Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to talk about the solve command. This will allow us to solve for solutions in many equations. So let me talk about the syntax. It starts off with the command solve. Remember, capital letters. Solve, we have to have the equation comma the variable that we want to use. Sometimes we'll have more than one variable and it's important to tell Mathematica what variable that we want. So here's some examples. Suppose I want to find all solutions to the equation x plus 2 equals 3. Well, I know we can figure this out. The answer is x equals 1. But the idea is, how do we get Mathematica to do this, especially when we get much more complicated equations? So I'm going to start off with the word solve. Remember, make sure that it's black when you're done typing it. The equation x plus 2, and here is the thing that we really have to pay attention to. Not just a single equal sign, it has to be a double equal sign. It must be a double equal sign in a solve command. So double equal sign 3. And then I'm going to put in the variable, which in this case is x. I'm going to do a shift enter, and we get x equals 1. Well, it doesn't look like x equals 1. This really tells us that if I replace x with a 1, the following x plus 2 is going to be equal to 3. That is a true statement. Let me try another one. What about this one? Well, again, I'm going to start off with the solve command, and my equation is x squared plus 2x minus 3, and then I'm going to purposely just put a single equal sign in here, and this is going to be equal to 0, and remember, this is wrong. It should be a double equal sign. It should look like this. Now, if I do a shift enter here, it gives me some type of error. So it says something about a tag plus something being protected. That tells us that, well, to me, I've seen this so many times that has to be replaced with a double equal sign. If I replace it with the double equal sign and I do a shift enter again, I get my two solutions. X equals -3 and x equals 1. Now, there are times where we're going to want to restrict our domains. And what I can do is, there's another little syntax here. I still have the solve command. I still have an equation. I still have the variable, but now I'm going to type in double ampersand and the restrictions. So here's my example. Suppose I want to find all solutions to the equation x squared plus 2x minus 3, where x is less than 2. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before, x squared plus 2x minus 3, double equals 0, and then I'm going to add in a double ampersand and put in my condition, x is less than -2. I still need to put my variable at the end of this. And if I restrict that, I get x equals -3. Now, this is the same exact function that I had up in the example over here. And you saw that without the restriction, I wind up getting two solutions. But when I put the restriction in, it eliminates one of the solutions. It eliminates the x equals 1 solution. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.